The purported media report about granting scheduled tribe status to the Khasi family practicing patriarchal system of clan lineage is unfounded as reflected in the government's letter dated 17th November 2020. The letter by the Undersecretary to the Government of Meghalaya Social Welfare Department to the Deputy Commissioners of East and West Khasi Hills districts vividly mentioned about the interdepartmental consultation with the District Council Affairs and Law Departments, which resolved to adhere to the prevailing customary practice and deviation will not be entertained. Further, the district level committee is entrusted to take suitable action on the matter, quote, to decide each application expeditiously and issue or reject scheduled caste or scheduled tribe certificates in respect of all applicants, including those persons whose both parents are Khasi or tribes but taken father's surnames or title as per documents available and procedures laid down by passing a speaking order in each case, unquote. Therefore, the resentment, apprehension, and speculation that has triggered debates and criticisms in sections of the society, which had gone viral on several social media platforms, are put to rest. According to an investigation, the government letter is available with the SP News Agency and Media Plus with the actual report as per government's order.